Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can repost someone's story on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is simply access your Snapchat app on your mobile phone first, and right over here simply go ahead, tap on this little human icons, two human icons beside the camera icon at the bottom, and now you will find this kind of interface. Right, you can see stories on top. These are the stories uploaded by your friends. If you go tap on it, you can see if you are their friends, you will simply check out. If they are not, you will find this add option. Right, so for the sake of for you to simply repost someone's story, they have to mention you. For example, if let's say this person has uploaded a story and you have been mentioned on their story, then you will be able to find this option of add to story. Once you have tapped on it, it will redirect to your Snap story section. You can tap on this add to my story and you're good to go. If they haven't simply mentioned you, then you won't be able to repost their story. You can simply choose to take a screenshot of it and you can crop it and add on your story itself, but you won't be able to repost exactly. So let your friends and family let them know that they have to mention you. Once you have that they have mentioned, you will be able to repost the story on your story accordingly and you're good to go. So and that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.